Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem chef and close friends, and it was asked in CodeChefContest Starters 214. So let's read out the problem. Chef lives at position X on X-axis. Chef has two Y friends, each living at every integer point in the range X minus Y to X plus Y, except the position X itself. Chef wants to visit his friends, but his mother has placed a strict rules. Basically, chef is allowed to travel at most z units away from his home in either direction. This means chef can only move within the interval x minus z to x plus z. So your task is to determine how many of chef's friend live within the range of chef's is allowed to travel. So yeah, input format, let's see. There are multiple test cases, and in each test case we have three integers x, y, and z. So okay, so let's understand some of the examples. They've given four test cases. In the first test case, our examples, x, y, and z values are 0 to 1. Let me take you to the board. So what they've given is 0 to 1, 0, z is 1. So in the question, what they've said is, we have x-axis. This is as you guys know, x-axis, and this is x dash. So here the numbers are in positive, and this is 0, and here the numbers are in negative. So what they have said is, initially a chef's home is located at position x. It may be somewhere in the x-axis, and chef has two y friends. Okay, and two y friends are located from the position x minus y to x plus y, which means, let's say chef is at this position. So y distance here, y friends home are at these positions, and y friends home are at this position. And they have said, a chef's mom is restricted, like he should not be going z distance away from the house. Let's say his house is here, so only z distance he can move, either in the left or in the right direction. So he's moving the distance would be x minus z till x plus z. So now in the question they have asked, how many friends home will he be visiting? So it's an very easy question. So let's understand this. We have x-axis, x dash, and this is 0. Since x is chef's home is located here only. Okay, now he has two y friends. Here y is 2, which means 2y, which is going to be 4. So his friends homes are located at these positions 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Okay, now chef's mom is allowed from his home, he can move only one distance away, in right direction or in the left direction. So he can move one distance at the position, one distance here. So how many friends home will he be visiting? Like he'll be visiting 1 and 2 friends house. So here answer is going to be 2, right? So let's see, the answer is 2. Let's consider 10, 3 and 5. So we have 10, 3 and then 5, which means we have x-axis, 6. So this is x-axis. Here it is 0, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so chef's house is located at this position, and chef's friends, how many friends will be there? 2y friends, which is going to be 6 friends. Chef has 6 friends, so each 3 friends will be in the right and in the left. So he'll be moving 3 distance x plus y, which is going to be 13. X plus y is going to be x is 10, y is 3, which is going to be 13. So till 13 his friend's house will be there. This is one of his friend, this is, and this is. In the same way, x minus y in the left hand side will be his friend's house. 10 minus 3, which is going to be 7. Till 7 its friend's house is there. So this 3 friends houses are there. Now chef's mom is told, like from this position he can move till z distance. Z distance in the sense he can move till x plus z. So now since z is 5, so z is 5, so he can move x plus z distance, right, which is going to be 10 plus 5, which is 15. So now he can move till 14, 15, like all his friends house are within the range only, and here he can move till this position, right? So since he can move till here, but the friends he has only 6, so in this case the answer will be 6 only, because all the friends he can visit, all the friends house. So your answer is going to be 6. So how do we solve this mathematically? So what we'll try to do is, see, here the main crux of the problem is we'll have to understand between y and z. So y is the number of friends on the left hand side, I mean left or right hand side. So let's consider only right hand side. Same will be the case for left hand. So once we take care of right hand side, if we do into 2, that is going to solve the answer. So now you will have to understand your answer is going to be 2 into the minimum of y and z. Why minimum of y and z? Because y is number of friends on the right hand side and z is the range till which he can move. Let's say in this case, as we have seen, y is lesser, like it is only 3, but z is 5. So if z is 5, it doesn't mean that he will be visiting 10 friends house. It's not the case, because the number of friends whatever he has is having lesser. Okay, and in the first case we have seen he can visit only till his range, like it was only 2 friends. So that's why we'll have to take care of minimum of y and z. That's it. This is yeah, this is it about the problem. Let's try to code it up. So in the input we had test cases. So test case I've taken care of this position. Then each test case consists of x, y and z. Okay, x, y and z. Then as I said, your answer is going to be 2 into minimum of y comma z. We'll have to display the answer. Let's try to run it. Yeah, it is getting passed. Let's try to submit the code in online editor. Yeah, it got accepted, and it was an easy problem only. So basically mathematics. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.